Hi there friends, it's Nina. Thanks for joining me today for a new video. I'm excited to be bringing you this project because I love adding color to my crafting space and I love decorating my studio with things that make me happy. So when I got the new Spring GNOMIES card kit from Simon Says Stamp, it's a limited edition kit. Inside were a pack of butterfly adornments. Now I've had the butterfly adornments before, but I only had one left from the pack that I had previously. So I got this new pack that was in the kit, which you can get separately or in the kit, and I wanted to make something with them. But I wanted to use them all, and they're a little heavy to use all of them for a card. So I was trying to think outside the box and how I could use them for something different. In my studio, I have this storage caddy, and I love it. It is so cute. It's wooden, has some great space for storing things. I like to put my brushes in there. But it's a little plain. So I thought this would be a perfect surface to decorate with some of these butterfly adornments. So let me show you what I did. I have the butterfly adornments here out of the pack, all 6 of them, and I'm picking out 6 colors of alcohol inks that I can drip on top of the butterflies and cover with alcohol inks. These are a pewter kind of surface, so they really hold the ink well. Almost any type of surface is going to hold some alcohol ink. And what's great about coloring things with alcohol inks is that the liquid will evaporate, leaving just the color behind. So we're going to get some really vibrant, beautiful colors, and it's also going to give us that same metallic sheen that the butterflies naturally have. So what you're seeing me do is put these butterflies into individual Dixie cups. And I'm using alcohol inks, dripping them on top of the butterflies and then covering over the top of the cup with some paper so that I can shake the butterfly around and cover every area of the butterfly with ink. I'm mostly focusing on just coloring the front of the butterfly. I'm not worried about the back. If the back gets some color on it, that's fine by me, but I'm not trying to cover every inch of the back either. If I find some areas that didn't quite cover completely, I'll just drip on a few more drops of alcohol ink and I can shake it up again or just leave it air dry. Now these are going to take a little bit of time to fully evaporate and dry. These are still wet and I colored them with a rainbow of alcohol ink colors, which I have listed down in the video description or on my blog. Here's what a butterfly is going to look like when it's completely dry. This purple one I had done earlier, and it's fully dry and it just looks amazing. They're so easy to glue onto your project. Whether you're putting them onto a wooden caddy like this, or maybe you have the lid of a container that you want to put them on, or you want to go even further outside the box and maybe put them on top of a journal. On a journal cover, these would look amazing. I almost did that too, but I decided I wanted to put them on the caddy. I'm using hot glue to put these down. You could use whatever glue that's really strong and going to hold well, maybe super glue or something like that. But I really like the convenience of hot glue because it dries really, really quickly, and I don't have to worry about any of them having to dry for a long period of time, especially when I have cats around. They like to get into things, and I could just see one of them pushing on one of the butterflies while it's still drying and then causing one of them to be askew. What are you doing in the box, Oscar? So I'm going to glue every one of these butterflies down onto my little caddy here. This is a very simple and easy process. I just love how this turned out. This is going to add a lot of color to my space. I already do have a lot of color in my space, but it'll add even more. And I just love doing DIY projects where I can add some fun and customization to my crafting storage and my craft room in general. If you don't have this caddy and you want to try something like this, I definitely would encourage you to think outside the box with what you currently have. Because I have a feeling if you look hard enough, you'll find at least one thing that you could decorate with these butterflies. And don't forget that if you miss out on the Spring GNOMIES card kit from Simon Says Stamp, which these butterflies come in, you get the full pack inside the kit. If you miss out on it, you can still purchase these butterflies on their own. So I have links to both the kit and also the Butterfly Adornments pack. If you're interested in either one of those, be sure to check out the video description below or my blog. I hope you were inspired by today's project because I like being able to share some unique ideas and fun projects that you can do besides just cards. I have always loved doing this. I've been crafting for a very long time, And when I do projects like this, it always makes me happy because I get to display my art and enjoy it in my craft space. And I really hope that you will try it too, because I think you're going to find it very inspiring for yours as well. Now, I mentioned in today's video that these butterflies came in the Spring GNOMIES kit. If you'd like to see some cards that I made with the kit, I made 7 mini slimline cards, and all of them you can watch how I made them in the video that I have on screen right now. If you'd like to see that video, please be sure to check it out. I will be back soon with more to share with you. But until next time, I hope you all have a very wonderful day. Bye!